Programming a Royal 410DX cash register. First thing, make sure it is plugged in and make sure you've put batteries in. If you haven't put batteries in, when you unplug it, you're going to lose your programming. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to switch it to programming mode, and we are going to choose the quantity time button, and this is going to put us in PLU mode. Assuming we're not programming our register that already has programming in, we're starting at 1. The first PL number that we're working with is a 1. So in this case, our first item is going to be a chicken dinner, and we want it to be PLU 1, and it's going to be $7.50. And after we type in the price, the default, because we're not worried about tax, is this Department 1 key right here. We don't need to hit this key. Do not. We're going straight to here. So now you can see we switch to number 2. Number 1 is already programmed. So number 2 is going to be our chicken half, which is going to be $6.50. And again, as soon as we put the price in, and again, don't worry about decimal points, number 1. We're now on to number 3, and we want to put in our water. So water is going to be $1, and again, followed by this 1 key. And those are programmed. So we've programmed PLU 1, 2, and 3, so we can hit quantity time to exit out of that. If we want to put a list to see what we've programmed the prices in for our PLUs, we're simply going to press the PLU button, and our cash register tape tells us that PLU number 1 is $7.50, number 2, $6.50, and number 3 is $1. In a minute, I will get back to how you're going to put in the names of the items so you can see that PLU is correctly identified as the dinner, 2 as the half, and 3 as the water.